Hello everyone, it's me, Josh, and I'm here to talk about the super fun new features that I've added to the software to make browsing the site better. Oh no, wait, I haven't had time to do that because I've been working on preventing child pornography, which is excellent. I read a blog post from Cloudflare about child pornography and how they're blocking it by using like sophisticated databases and shit. I didn't know that was a feature, it must be brand new. So I enabled that to try and help me out. And really, the tools. I mean, I sound kind of down, but the tools have been doing a fantastic job, and the individuals I have helping me have been able to use them successfully. And I've noticed a really steep decline in attempts to post CSAM, as Cloudflare calls it, which is a much better term for kitty porn. It sounds professional. CSAM. So from now on, I'll be referring to the pizza problem as C-Sam. Like C-Sam, you see him over there? He's being a little fuckhead. So here is my recent endeavor. Like I mentioned in the first video about the perceptual hash banning that I did like 2 weeks ago, you can't really on the site like this. You can't really just block stuff, even on really heavily moderated sites like 4chan. The potential to truly forever ban unwanted material is just prohibited. It's not possible. You can't do it and have an open site. So you just try to make it so that the impact of doing it is not rewarding enough to continue doing it. It gets taken care of so quickly that you might as well not do it. So I've been focusing mainly on that, and right now Tor is in a position where you can't upload images and you can't create new threads, which sucks. It's not my vision for how Tor should be using the site. I might have a way of automatically dealing with that, like if Tor posts are being like heavily abused, if there's like if the system notices that many Tor posts across the site are getting deleted, it can crank up some sort of like national security level, like we're going from blue to yellow now because of the Tor abuse, and then Tor has fewer privileges, all the way up to red where there's some really bad shit going down and Tor can't use it at all, something like that. Anyways, not the point of this. The point of this is that I've been dealing with that. It's been working so far. Abuse is going down, but one thing that I was having issues with that I noticed was that users would be in a thread, and because it's a WebSocket enabled application, they'd be having conversation, especially in busy threads about the site, and then people would start posting CSAM within the thread, and obviously people would click out because they can't do anything about it. They'd have to refresh after it gets deleted, and that's a huge vector of attack. Active threads, doesn't matter if you delete it or not, it stays in the browser and people don't want to see it. I could add thread post hiding and stuff, and I'll probably do that today, but that's not good enough, I feel. So I've added a new option, which is enabled by default. If we go to the options menu, say auto purge banned images, and that is a new feature. It's WebSocket enabled, and you can see over here the messages for WebSockets. Head over to the admin panel, and I'm going to trigger this, delete, and then it kicks me back to the file moderation page. I look at it, and you can see that there's a new event that's been fired. App events filed was banned, the present thread, and then it has the data for the file, which is just the metadata, like the hash and file ID and stuff. And you can see over here what used to be that image is now a message saying a file moderator has banned this image, and as a courtesy, it has been automatically removed from the page by the WebSocket. And that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. It happens instantaneously, as quickly as posts can come up. Images that are banned from the file moderation system will apply retroactively so that users don't have to see it. If they aren't looking, if they're unattended, the page has been going up, they see they have 100 new messages they haven't read, flip back over, any kind of abuse material is already gone. They don't have to worry about it, and they can continue engaging with the site and not having to worry. So that's an example of shit I've been working on. Not a lot of fun. I just thought I'd do an update because I haven't done one in a while. I'd really like to start working on the convenience features that people really want, like the 4chanx stuff. And I'll probably start with having a way to hide threads. I'm going to have to add some way where a person on mobile or on desktop can click and select multiple posts so that they can either hide it client side Or in the case of moderation, there's not really a good way to delete multiple Tor posts at once. Someone have a way to also moderate and batch posts by IDs as opposed to just dealing with IP, which is what I'm having to do right now. And other stuff like that. Not a lot of fun. Not the kind of cool stuff like thumbnailing books and stuff that I wanted to do. But I've been slowly working on getting bugs fixed in between, patching holes in the ship. Emails are getting sent out for password resets and stuff like that. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm working hard. I'm just not working on the things I wish I was. And take it easy.